Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SMKit. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw water tap as shown on screen. So you can see all the dimensions are mentioned here. We will follow these dimensions and we will start with the top portion first. You can see this top portion which is 140 by 20. So on one side here, I will just draw one rectangle, RAC for rectangle, which will be 140 by 20. Enter, and here to trace the midpoint we will draw some lines here, another from here to the another corner, and you can see we have this circle with the radius of 20 units. So see, for circle from here and 20 is the radius. Now we will do some trimming job. We don't need these portions now more. So the top portion is ready. I will have here another rectangle which will be 20 by 60, and two more, one will be 60 by 20 and one will be 80 by 20. So first I will just draw one line like this, and I will start first rectangle which will be 20 by 60, another one which will be 60 by 20, and third one which will be 80 by 20. And with the move command we will move this one from this midpoint to this location. Here also we will move this middle point and we will keep it with this middle point, and this is same, we will repeat the same as a middle point. So now we don't need this anymore, this line anymore. We'll delete this, and for this whole water tap we will draw one rectangle, and in this rectangle we will do the modification. We can design it like this. So that rectangle will be 340 by 150. So I will draw one rectangle which will be 340 by 150, and we'll repeat the same from here. We'll take it middle point and we'll keep it here. Okay, now we will draw one line from this middle point to this midpoint, and one from here also, top to bottom. Now you see we have this portion which is 80, and this center, this will be 60 only. So we will take one offset. First offset will be 30 from this line to top and to bottom also, and one more with 40 units to top and to bottom. And you see this portion also we will need one offset. I'll explode first this circle so we can take offset only for one line. So we need one offset with the 20 units like this. Now again do some trimming job to clear the screen. So first of all, this one no need anymore, this one no need, this one here also no need for this one also no need, and here also no need for that. This one also we can delete, here also we can delete this one. Okay, now we will delete this one also, and we will draw this one circle with the 50 units radius. So we will go for the circle here. We tap tangent radius, and we will just click first on this point. Second point will be here, and the radius is 50 unit. Okay, and we will do again some trimming. TR double enter. Okay, extend that. Okay, now we will just mirror this and this with mi mirror and keep it like this. Okay, to now we will draw this portion which is another circle with radius of 80. So it will start from here and coming up to this point. So again we will click on circle, tangent here, first point, second point, and radius will give 80 units. Okay, again let's do some trimming here. No need for that, no need for this one also no need, and here also no need anymore for that. So close this, remove this completely. Now this line also no need anymore, and here you see this portion need 60 units offset. So we'll take an offset with the 60 from here to here, and we will extend that to top. We will trim this point, and this line also will trim it up. From now here also, this one also no need. Okay, we are almost ready, but here this another circle with 30 radius, we will draw that from this central point, circle with the 30 radius, and do the some trimming also from here, 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 and no need for that. So this one also will trim. You can see now we are almost ready. Just do some finishing job with the fillet to make it curve, this curve as shown on screen. So we'll just F for fillet. Here I will click on multiple and radius. Radius I will give 20. Now we'll click on here by this, from here to here, from here to here, and this one we will give another fillet which will be radius of 10. Yes, I'll repeat again the same with space bar. So we are almost done, and let's in this portion also. So you can check the dimension after that, and I hope you like this video. If you like, please follow me for more AutoCAD tutorial. Thank you.